Welcome, guys, to Know Your Facts. And again, your host here, Ali Nasser, with Mr. Shan Said from Kuala Lumpur. And today we'll be talking about some interesting topics. But I think Shan has been very keen on talking about Dubai and the Dubai real estate. And of course, the real estate scenario in many countries is waiting to pick up. But I think in Dubai, the momentum has been fairly consistent, and I'd like to hear about it from Shan. So I don't know whether I should be saying good evening or I can't say good night because, but I think it's a bit dark there in Kuala Lumpur in KL. So welcome, Shan, and I hope you have some interesting things to tell us today.
Thank you, Ali Nasir. Good evening, everyone from Kuala Lumpur. It's 9:30 in the evening, and thank you for having me in the show. Ali Nasir, if you have invested 1 million dirham 5 years ago in Dubai, that same 1 million dirham after 5 years has become 2 million dirhams. So it is 20% return per annum. And Dubai market is booming right now. And why do I say this? A lot of my friends, my associates, they have encouraged me, Shan, you should do a program on Dubai real estate. It's booming, it's very attractive. A lot of global investors are relocating themselves to the city, which is vibrant, which is global, which is technology driven, and it is very safe. This is an article that appeared in Financial Times on 9th November. It talks about China's ultra rich are sidestepping Singapore for Dubai. And it's a huge statement that ultra rich Chinese investors are moving to Dubai. Why? Because the transactions are very fast, it's all technology driven, paperless work. Most of those big investors are moving because family offices, private equity funds, hedge funds are moving into Dubai. And you know, there are more than 100 global banks that are stationed in Dubai. Not only Dubai, but also Abu Dhabi. It is now picking up very strongly. So both Dubai and Abu Dhabi, they are very attractive. I have got few interesting statistics with you to share. In October 2025, last year, the Dubai real estate market saw a surge of 59.4 billion dirhams of real estate transaction. Come to November 2025, sales touched 17.5 billion US dollars, and that is massive. Again, in quarter three, till quarter three, the total transaction volume in Dubai real estate market touched 170.5 billion dirhams, and that is huge. Again, who are the top developers in Dubai? They are, let me share, Dimag, Imar, Sobhe, uh, there are others as well, but the light is so, and my eyes are so bad. I mean, there are so many developers who are
I
making.
don't blame I don't blame you about the eyes because I'm facing the same problem. I don't know. I guess
My eyesight is getting bad.
we're getting old. I guess we're
Yes,
getting
age
old.
is catching up. Age is catching up. I can't see. So, who are the top investors who are coming? The nationality. I got it from one of my friends. Indians are coming, number one. Then you have Britishers. Then you have the Russians, the Italians, and the French. So these are the top five nationalities that are relocating to Dubai. And one more article that appeared in Khalij Times on 31st December, it talks about Dubai real estate 2026 scarcity, smart selection, and shifting demand shape the next market cycle. So I personally foresee that Dubai real estate market will continue to boom for the next 4 to 5 years. And now they have coined a new term about the Dubai real estate market. It is called Golden Square. So when I talk about Golden Square, these are the top areas of Dubai. It is Jumeirah Bay, Jumeirah Water Canal corridor that is extending to downtown and Business Bay. DIFC, City Walk, and Limaire. So I think these areas will continue to have strong attraction. A lot of global investors are moving to Dubai because the market has been very stable. I still remember when I first landed in Dubai, that was 2001. And now, after 25 years, Dubai has become and it has transformed so rapidly. It all boils down to, it's stable, it's safe, and most of those global investors who are relocating to Dubai, they are attracted because of infrastructure. It's a very technology driven city, and above all, it has got all the amenities. So I always call Dubai is comparable with New York, or Dubai is the New York of Gulf area, because it is booming right now. You have Emirates, that is the brand that represents Dubai globally. So when people they sit in Emirates, they know that we are going to Dubai. It's a very vibrant city. I mean, it's hustling and bustling. Even in the night, Dubai is awake.
That's very interesting for you to say, especially from a person who's been in the Big Apple and, of course, who studied in Chicago, to be saying that Dubai is the city that never sleeps. Anyway, but I guess it is becoming fast becoming the financial capital of at least this part of Asia, and at least dominates the economy in the Middle East. The geostrategic position, of course, of Dubai and the Emirates in particular is very, very important. I think it was very nice of you to highlight this. I think a lot of people are working on it. And like you said, I think the managing director of Damak is currently in Pakistan at the moment. She's a very nice lady. And I think she's the daughter of the founder of Damak Properties. So I guess there are good things coming here as well. Because I think most people would understand that our video, our vlog, our discussion is not meant for a Pakistani audience. It is for an international audience. And since Shan is right now in Kuala Lumpur and is an international economist based there in Malaysia at the moment, and of course talks on a wide array of subjects, not only commodities as we've seen today. And we had spoken a bit about this in the previous program, but I think we were not able to address it comprehensively as we have today. Um, would you mind, Shan, if I'd turn your focus towards our favorite topic, which is gold once again?
Yes, yeah, I know you are always heading towards that direction. Ali Nasir, the market calls are getting stronger and stronger for gold. Everybody, most of those global players are talking about that uh, gold will touch $5,000 per ounce in 2026, and that is very much on the cards. And in one of those media channels in Karachi, Pakistan, you already know, I have already shared that gold will be meandering around 5,200 to $6,000 per ounce. And now there is a new investment opportunity for those investors, and it is silver. As you know, silver is facing a huge supply shortage, and that is making silver very, very attractive. As you know, the demand of silver is very inelastic, and it is used in solar panels, it is used in EV, it is used in data centers, it is used in energy consumption. So once silver is used, it cannot be reused. So I am quite bullish. And in one of the programs last year, I said I foresee silver trading between 100 and $150 per ounce. But today, Bank of America has come up with a new forecast that has really put the market in a very surprising position. Bank of America is saying that silver will be touching 300 over $300 per ounce by 2026, and this is a huge call. Just imagine silver right now is trading at $75 per ounce, so it is four times of the spot price right now. So silver touching $300 over $300 per ounce by 2026. I think it's a huge call, and investors, those global investors who actually understand history and economics and who take position in real assets like real estate, gold, silver, they will be alerted and they will be very much focused on silver now. That what is happening in the silver market, because everybody knows London Metal Exchange, COMEX, everybody knows there is huge shortage that is emerging in the silver market. So I think silver is on the radar. I said 100 and $150 per ounce. Bank of America is saying 150 to $300 per ounce. There have been some forecasts of $200 per ounce, but silver will remain on the upsurge in 2026. This year will be a year of real assets. We are back in 1970 era. Real estate, gold, silver, agriculture, luxury products, oil and gas will remain on the global investors' radar.
That's a very interesting observation there, because I was assuming that since interest rates are expected to come down, it would be the focus would be something else. But you are right that the growing interest in real assets or physical assets, assets that can be possessed, is growing through time. And as usual, it has been wonderful talking to you. And like I always say, short and sweet, so that most of our viewers can listen to it in one go. And secondly, I think you have quite a fan base in the financial sector. So I am assuming that today's show is going to become very popular, especially because many of your friends who are in Dubai or are working for the Dubai real estate industry would be very, very appreciative of your comments about Dubai. And looking forward to seeing you next week. And we had not been able to do the program for the past 2 weeks in between, and that was because of the holidays. And I think when we left off, we didn't wish anyone. So I guess that happy holidays to all our viewers. And Sean, if you have a greeting, otherwise we'll just say goodbye to our viewers.
Happy New Year to everyone who are listening to us, and thank you for supporting us. Thank you very much.
Wonderful. Catch you guys again next week. Bye bye.